guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a numero cinco. I know, I forgot to post yesterday. Well, I didn't forget to post. I just didn't want to get up at 5 o'clock in the morning to film, so sorry. I mean, not that like any of you guys might even really give a shit, but you know, for the ones that do, I see you. See you. See you. I was thinking the red and green and glitter and all that was getting kind of repetitive, so I thought let's do a little bit of a vampy look because not everybody just wears green and red for the holidays, and I thought let's do like a vampy lip because why not, you know? Because I feel like this looks kind of holiday-ish, right? I forgot what I was saying and I'm wasting so much time right now. Today we're going to be using Bling Boss from the Jaclyn Hill Vault collection. Don't make fun of me because it's a little loved. Well, that color is really loved because I love that color. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a brush and I'm just going to dip into Hush Hush, which is kind of like a mauve transition color in the palette. And I'm just going to use that to just use this as a transition color and put it all over my crease area here and blend it upwards. Then I'm going to be taking Mystic, and it's a darker purple color in this palette, and I'm just going to be dipping into that and just putting it on the outer corner and just packing it on the outer corner because I want to make this very dark on the outside, like super dark, like really, really dark. And I'm just going to just kind of slowly bring it inwards because I want the majority of my lid to be this dark mystic purple. With the leftover, what's on my brush, I'm just gonna slowly start to kind of drag down a little bit just to kind of blend a little bit. And then I'm gonna go in with a blending brush and just blend that edge out. And then I'm going to use this blending brush, dip into Hush Hush and Mystic, tap off as much as I can, and lightly just blend them right in here. And then I'm going to go back in with this brush, do the same thing, not tap so much off of it, and just slowly bring it in. And now I'm going to take a flat brush and I'm just going to dip into Glitz and Glam, and it's kind of like I don't know, like a goldy, rose goldy color, and I'm just using a little bit of this because I don't want to turn it into a glam eye. I kind of want it to be vampy, so I'm just going to just put that on the inner corner and just blend it outwards instead of packing it over here. I'm just going to have it blend out. Okay, now I'm going in with a pencil brush and I'm just going to dip into Mystic, and I'm going to smoke the crap out of my bottom lash line just because this is a vampy eye look and I kind of want it to be kind of heavily dark around the eyes and kind of vampy. Then I'm going to go in with the blending brush and I'm just going to blend that bottom. Just going to take a black eyeliner and I'm just going to line my waterline on the top and the bottom. I'm just going to add mascara. Today I'm not going to be doing any lashes just because I don't feel like wearing lashes today. So I'm going to just use this Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara by L'Oreal. It's almost kind of the same as the Better Than Sex mascara. And what I'm going to do is take a lighter and I'm going to take my eyelash curler and I'm just going to heat up just this metal part here to kind of warm it up a little bit to kind of make like kind of like a curling iron in a sense for your eyelashes. Don't stick it directly on your eye. Kind of wait till it's cooled down a little bit so it's kind of just warm. If you press your fingers on it, it kind of warms it down a little bit. So now I feel like it's safe enough to put on my eye. And I'm just going to lay that against my lid and curl my lashes and just hold for a second and then just kind of pulsate to kind of get them kind of kinked to stay curled. And then they're nice and curled. And I'm just gonna do that a couple of times on the same lashes, but I'm gonna go back and forth. So next I'm gonna do my other eye, and then after I'm done doing that one, I'll move back to the other eye and curl it again with this heated up. What I usually do is just go in right away with mascara while they're still curled up, because they will kind of tend to kind of go back into place. Not as much though, but I still want them to be way like sticking up. So I go in with mascara. This is the waterproof one. I feel like waterproof works a lot better just because it has a waxy consistency in it, and it kind of holds my lashes throughout the day, so that way they don't kind of get heavy and start to weigh down and they're not up anymore. And I'm just going to coat them and go back and forth until I'm happy with how they look. We're just gonna go in with lips today. I'm not too sure what I want to do. I was thinking about doing a gray, but I'm like, no. And then I was thinking about doing like this lighter gray, and then I was like, no. And so then I came up with this one, and I haven't used this one in a while, so I'm not too sure how this is gonna look. I'm probably gonna hate it, and I'm gonna wipe it off. But it's the Matte Fearless number 70, and it's the Milani brand. It's kind of like a deep vampy purple burgundy color. And what I'm gonna do is just wipe off all the foundation that's on my lips, because I didn't do that. I'm gonna go into the Jaclyn Hill Armed and Gorgeous palette from the Vault collection, and I'm just going to use this whiter color here, and I'm going to dip it into that and just kind of brighten up this area a little bit. Yes. So this is the look that I did today, and I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you're notified for tomorrow when I post the next holiday makeup look. So we'll see you guys next time.